What's up, Doordash family? It's your girl, Steph. Steph delivers, you know. I know you guys probably like, where has she been? Oh my gosh, she ain't made a video in a minute. It's true. I haven't made a video in a minute. But the reason why I haven't made a video in a minute because I've been working from home. I've been working in my pajamas, literally. Guys, I've been trading in the foreign exchange market, trading currency in the foreign exchange market. I've been dibbling and dabbling, and it's been an exciting, man, it's been an exciting adventure, guys. I'm making money every single day in the Forex market. I don't need to dash. I miss Doordash, don't get me wrong, but I don't need to be running up and down these streets picking up anybody's food, delivering their food to make an extra income. It's always great to have multiple streams of income, don't get me wrong, and at any moment I can go Doordash. That's the thing, guys. At any moment, you know, we can go Doordash and we can make some change, right? But with trading in the Forex market, at any moment for the rest of my life, I can get on my computer and trade in the foreign exchange market. Okay, the difference between the two is I can only do Doordash during a certain time frame, during a certain period, only certain hours, right? That's it, right? With the foreign exchange market, I can do it 24/7, 365, 5.5 days a week. Okay? It's open 24/7, 5.5 days a week. So what I'm telling you guys is I've learned a skill set that is going to pay me forever. And I don't have to run my car down, I don't have to run my body down in trying to make it happen. Not only that, I can make money off my own efforts and off the efforts of our master educators. We have master educators who teach us different strategies and techniques. We leverage their efforts on top of our own efforts and make money every day in the foreign exchange market. They actually give us their signals, their calls, their trade calls. So it's about working smarter, not harder. Guys, work smarter, not harder, and make money every single day. Get that concept, guys. Smarter, not harder. There's no physical exertion in trading. Yes, there's emotional highs and lows, but you learn to manage those highs and lows over time. You learn to manage those. Guys, I'm telling you, if I've been of any value to you with Doordash, you think that's value? I am here to bring you 1,000 times more value with trading in the Forex market than I will ever bring you with Doordash. I'm talking about just right now, because I just started $50 to $100 a day. Guys, in my near future, I'm talking $100 a day, $100 to $200 a day in the foreign exchange market, on top of my 40-hour work week job. Guys, I'm talking about financial freedom. I'm talking about generational wealth, guys. This is what's possible for you. Trust me when I tell you, this is the real deal. Trading in the foreign exchange market is real. It's exciting. Yes, there's risk, but there's more risk being out there Doordash and crashing my car and getting killed. Think about this. Guys, hear me when I tell you this. I just can't, I'm so excited about the skill set that I've learned. I can't even, I'm speechless right now. I'm here to show you guys an opportunity that could change your life. Change your family's life. I'm not kidding. I just want you guys to take a look at the video. There's a link below in the description box. Take a look at that video, an overview of iMarkets Live given by one of my mentors, Riyadh Jones. He's going to show you the presentation on what is entailed with trading in the Forex market with iMarkets Live. Because not only can you make money trading with iMarkets Live, you can make money building a team. Residual income. Y'all know what that is? Residual income is making money off the work you already did. Off the work you already did. Someone makes a TV show 10, 20, 30 years ago. Guess what? They're still getting paid today. Get paid off the efforts that you do one time. Leverage other people's work. Work smarter, not harder. Check out that video below, guys. I'm also going to do my next video. I'm going to show you, if you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to just make a whole new video on the scanner that we use to trade in the foreign exchange market, or that I use. I use a very simple strategy, the teacup strategy. It is a strategy for dummies. It is super simple. You think trading is easy? It's hard, right? Because it looks so difficult? If I can do it, come on, man. You don't need no master's degree, doctoral degree. You don't need none of that to trade. We got high school students killing it. Killing it on my team. I'm not even playing with y'all. Trade Nation, y'all. That's the name of my team, Trade Nation. This company wants to have 1 million traders by 2020. They are actually feeding families by allowing master traders to give their signals. People from all over the world, guys, are in this. All over the world, many countries. They have it in multiple languages. Guys, I'm not feeding you no crap. I'm not feeding you no crap. I'm in it. I'm doing it every day. I'm learning. I'm making money. For real, for real. And I'm not gonna stop, because this is my way that I'll be able to give back to my community, to give back to my family, to give back to my ministry. Most of you guys know I'm a Christian. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is the reason why. Do you have a strong enough reason why you need to change what you are doing currently, so that your family, for generations to come, can be okay? Do you have a big enough reason why you need to do something else? You need to change. Because Doordash ain't lasting forever. No one's going to Doordash forever. But you can trade forever. And I'm not knocking Doordash. It's been very good to me. I made a lot of side income. Nothing compared to what I'm making it and will make in the foreign exchange market. Nothing. That's kibbles and bits. So guys, look at the video below. Check out that presentation. Text me. My number's below. Email me. My email's below. Hit me up. And I can show you exactly what I do. I can make my own calls, guys. I can make my own trade calls. I don't need to rely on other people. However, they're giving us the opportunity to leverage the master traders' work. And it's about to go. It's about to be lit. We have group chats, guys, like Facebook groups, where different people from all over the world we come into, and people say, hey, look at this trade, look at this trade. And they actually tell people how to make the money. They say, hey, go trade this currency, go trade this currency, this is gonna hit. We all share information. That's the beauty of it. You're never in it alone, guys, ever. Man, it's the best thing ever. I'm so glad I decided to trade in the foreign exchange market. But I want to share it with you guys, because when you find something that's good, you never keep it to yourself. You want to share it with people. So this is my opportunity to share with you. I really hope you take advantage, at least looking at what's possible for you and your family. Until next time, God bless. God loves you. Be safe.